Companies who are ready to grow their business and really make an impact on the internet, video blogs are the way to go. People ask me all the time, what is a video blog? And basically, it's a blog, but made with video, just like I'm doing now, in a 30 to 60 second spot. I call them snack size videos. It's a snack size opportunity to explain an important concept or a tip of the day, something that would entice your customers to want to learn more about you and your expertise. We make creating video blogs super easy with a Klein Creative Media video blog membership. You sign up online, then you make an appointment to come into the studio where we go over your 12 bullet points of what you're going to say and what information you're going to share with your potential customers. You come in once and you deliver all your 12 messages on camera with a teleprompter if as needed. Once you leave, I begin the editing process and I deliver a new fresh video every month that you can put on your website and use for social media marketing. If a picture's worth 1,000 words, then video is worth 1,000,000. And when you think about that concept, it makes perfect sense to incorporate video into all your business marketing needs.